Hello. Hey, hey, hey. Thanks for joining us, everyone. We'll get started in a couple of minutes here. A lot of exciting stuff to go over. We just announced it in the community, so we'll just give people a couple of minutes to get in and we can go ahead and get started. All right, nice. Yeah, we can go ahead and get started here. Yeah, thanks for joining, everyone. This is the May Community Call. A lot of stuff to go over. We've been to a bunch of conferences and different things like that. So let's go ahead and get into it here. Yeah, just as I was mentioning, I went to those conferences in Toronto, the Futurist one, and then also Consensus. Consensus is really big. There's a lot of traditional companies there, like Visa, MasterCard, also AWS and Google Cloud. Really interesting connections, meeting up with some people to see if they need an Oracle and promoting Wit2, seeing if we can attract new node operators and new stakers and different things like that. Also, if you've been following along on our Twitter, we are at ETH Prague or Tomas and Hyanar. Yeah, since it's going on now, they're there and about to go to ETH Belgrade. A lot of interesting connections there, catching up with Teller, seeing what they're working on, but also some outreach into different chains, new L2s, different things like that to see if they need Oracle support. And yeah, now something that's pretty exciting coming up here. Community, new advocate program. We have a demo. So new information. Also, Hyan is joining me from ETH Prague to go over that demo. Let me see if she's ready here. Just a second. All right, thanks for your patience, everyone. Yeah, we have Hyan, our new marketing and community lead here. She's going to share some things about this new advocate program. Um, Go ahead.
Yeah. So, hi everyone. Yeah, hi. Been here for 2 months lurking. Finally, I'm here. So, quickly on the advocate program. So we're at season 5 now. We're gonna have a kickstart session soon. If you go to our main website, witnet.io, you're gonna see this banner here, and you can totally check out our Zili, which is here. I've created my own account. Just join. Hopefully it load. Take a second. Yeah. Yeah, so this is what we're having for now. This is just a kickstart session. It's gonna be live on June 1 until June 10. And very simple tasks. We have tasks that are like, following us on Twitter, joining our Discord and community, exploring our website, incentivize the growth of with that community. And of course, further tasks are more like the wish list. For example, what do you want us to have on our next update? What are your suggestions? You can also send us some feedback on if there's any bugs or if, yeah, whatever that you see here. So, first thing is that once you join, all these tasks are locked because we need to verify people. So, first task is going to be a tally task. um you just need to you know follow the tally link here, fill in the all this information, and also say that, okay, which is the best oracle. Of course, ask. The thing is, for example, excuse me, oracle. Once you click claim, we will have, yeah, it will be in review. And for example,
I think you're breaking up there a little bit high.
let me show you how a bit. um our price gonna be with rewarding on roles on Discord, and even some with like the previous program. But yeah, once we approve, on our Discord and on Telegram about on this the announcement. From here you can see all the details on how this season's gonna be run, the rewards gonna be updated, how to participate, some guideline, and necessary links for you guys. So yeah, that's how our session's gonna be. Our new season. I'm really excited to see what we're gonna have, and of course, I'm really excited to see the previous advocate to join as well. So yeah, really looking forward to that.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks for that demo there. Real excited about this new season for the Advocate program. Yeah, and like one of the first things she demoed was the countdown that's on the main website. If you go to witnet.io, you can see the countdown there, and that has the link to join the Zili platform that we're using to do everything for the new Advocate program there. Yes, that's pretty exciting. Next, we did release 2.02 of my Wit wallet. That's to update and to allow showing priority fees for when creating a transaction for stake and unstaked transactions. So there was a bug with that related to how we're getting data from the Explorer. So that's fixed. If you were having issues sending transactions, that's fixed now. Also, a work in progress is fixing the Windows release. that's pretty much fixed. We verified that the build works. We're just fixing some end-to-end tests to make sure all the actions and all the checks that we have on GitHub pass. So that should be coming soon. Also, there is a bug when staking to multiple validators from a single withdrawer within my Wit wallet. So that's also being looked at and addressed there. On the Wit websites, yeah, like mentioned, we added that countdown, and you can follow different activations there. In the past community call, we mentioned that we added the newsletter and also the events thing, so you can track when we're at different conferences like ETH Prague or Consensus or these different types of events. Also, one of the things that we're working on is on the Feeds website. If you go to feeds.witnet.io, you can see all the chains that we're live on and the price feeds there. We're updating how we're organizing the feeds. One of the things is going to be a latest updates widget. So you can see across all the different chains what's the latest price for Bitcoin, for example, or for Ether. Yeah, so that's going to be nice to have. That's pretty much ready. It's just in the review process and a couple of other things before that's released there. Also on WIT 2, we did have kind of that super block bomb to release the 2.1. We needed a little bit more time, so we diffused the bomb. The new date is set for July 4th at 12:25 a.m. So one of the things for that is we have a document summarizing all the requirements that we need and formalizing a plan on the implementation. And the implementation itself shouldn't be that difficult. It should be fairly straightforward. It's just taking everything from all the discussions that we've had with the community and also the people working and building on Witnet Rust have had a chance to go in and comment on those different things since the whips came out. So yeah, that's the new date for the super block bomb. That's the new date for WIT 2.1. July 4th is what we're looking at there. Yeah, and as always, we have some network stats. So last month we had about 30,000 requests across testnet and mainnets, and networks have stayed steady. We did reduce a couple, depreciated a couple of price feeds that weren't used anymore. Also something to note as usual that it doesn't include RNG values. It just includes the price feeds that are supported by the Witnet Foundation. Nice. Yeah, so it's time for Q&A. There is that QR code down at the bottom. If you want to scan that, it'll bring up a Slido. Just going to give it a second to see if any questions pop up. Yeah, it doesn't look like we have any questions this time. Yeah, real excited about the new advocate program and fully launching that. You can look at the countdown on witnet.io to follow when that's launching, so it should be early next week. Make sure if you want to participate to sign into that and set up your Zealy account and join the new season. Aside from that, a bunch of different conferences, networking, and looking at different connections that we can make there. We're just wrapping up ETH Prague and about to go to ETH Belgrade to do some more outreach. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in Telegram or Discord. And have a great weekend, everyone.